And welcome back to this brief video tutorial about CADuceus, our lightweight computer-aided dispatch system. Now this particular video tutorial is going to be fairly short because it's about the companion screen or the second screen of your dispatch system called Streetwise Resource Monitor. Now, there's not a whole lot of action you can take on this screen because it is truly just a monitor. So it's pretty static. But let's take a look at some of the features. Now for purposes of this video tutorial, we're using Cali, Colombia, one of our clients in Latin America. But of course, if we were in the United States, this would all be in English. We can still show you the important portions of the resource monitor. Let's start with the left side. On the left-hand side, you're going to have your unit status list, and that is there for the purpose of identifying all the various units in your fleet, showing their current status, and if they're active on a call, showing what call that is. Now, that list can scroll up or down if the list is extremely long, as it is here with Cali, Colombia. Now, over on the right-hand side is the static map. This map, while it can be zoomed in or zoomed out, basically displays the current vehicle location of all units in your fleet. So this gives you full credit from your insurance rating office for having AVL in your dispatch center. Also, you'll notice that the current incidents are identified on the map as well. You do have a couple of adjustments you can make to the map. Down in the lower side, you'll see a few check boxes where you can either turn on or off various layers. You can have recent calls turned on, current traffic conditions, current weather, which will be an overlay of weather radar, or you can turn on or off your individual responders if your department is using Streetwise Responder. You can change from the standard map over to a satellite map if you'd like to, but those are really the only changes you can make on the resource monitor.